Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is the day that I share my Christmas home tour of 2023 video. I absolutely love with everything the way it turned out. There are several changes from the Decorate With Me videos to now, so make sure you keep an eye out. I will point them out. But nevertheless, let's get started. I am starting at my front porch, and here you will notice one item that wasn't here before, and it is this lovely wooden reindeer. It was an upcycled DIY that I did on my DIY channel. I added some different stain to him. He was a bit of an off color, so I wanted to spruce him up, and he looks perfect. I also gave him a bell as well as a little bit of a greenery around his neck. Other than that, everything has stayed pretty much the same. I am loving the trees. They haven't been trying to fly away at all, so I am very happy about that. Now we are going to move inside, and we are greeted by Duke and my front foyer decoration. I love my entryway. I always feel entryways like your first impression of your home, and I love how cozy it feels. This tree has stayed the same. I did add a couple new ornaments to it that again I DIY'd on my DIY channel, because I'm trying to keep with that woodsy theme on this tree, slowly switching stuff out of it for that woodsy theme. Now turning over this way, here I did swap out a wreath. I added my Texas home wreath to here that I got at Walmart, because the wreath that was originally here, I'm using it somewhere else. And I also added some garlands, cedar garlands, onto my railings. That was done off camera. And as you can see, the greens are holding out really well. I have added water twice since I have decorated. this mudroom, I did not do very much since it is a well-used space by parents, but I did want to add a little touch, and it is just this stocking pillow. I don't have a lot of room to add a Christmas tree like I did last year. And in the powder room, because this is being used by daycare kids as well, I wanted to keep the decor minimal, so I just added some greens with the little blueberries from Dollar Tree. And of course, I did put Christmas soap inside that bottle. Now moving on to my living room, everything has stayed the same here. And here is the look how the cedar garland looks on the railing. It's very simple, very minimal. I don't have to worry about my husband knocking things down. And now we're going to move in to my dining room. The tree did get a few new ornaments. Again, it was a DIY ornaments that I made this year. They went on to that tree to keep with the DIY ornament theme. I also added lights to the greenery on top of the hutch. And now we're going to move on to my family room, and here I feel like the only thing that I have added were the stockings to the fireplace. The kitchen is where you are going to see most of the changes. I did go out and purchase a couple new things just because I wasn't loving what was here. I just felt like it wasn't working, and I got a gift card, so I thought I'd go and get something. And here is where all the changes happen. I did get this little wooden houses. They're kind of attached together, as well as just a little bit of a different Christmas tree or an evergreen tree and that wooden tree. And I think that looks a little bit better than what was there before. If you've seen what was there before, let me know what you think. Well, this concludes my home tour. I have a couple more areas that I'm going to be adding some decorating touches that I will be sharing in December. But for now, this is the bulk of it. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed these Christmas Decorate With Me series. I will have a full playlist linked in the description box for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I want to thank you all so much for watching.